Oh, what are you doing, Dylan? Amanda, you keep reading to me. Amanda.
Cheese.
Cheese?
Not a lion. Too growly.
Growly.
This
Oh.
store is the perfect size for me.
That's the perfect size.
This animal is not my favorite size. Blue is not my favorite size either.
Uh-huh.
How about this?
Okay.
A grumpy snake doing bad things. You can't see because it's a little How about this?
Let's see.
A monkey is too eating.
Yes.
What are you doing, Dylan?
A frog is too bad.
Careful you don't fall off.